Pushing his tongue.
I don't know.
The puppy. Oh yeah. Right. Oh yeah.
Come over here.
Big. Stop pushing him like that.
He's so cute.
You're gonna try to jump.
He's gonna jump.
Come on, Daddy.
Say hi,
Come on,
Emily.
Daddy. Come on, Daddy. Ah! You like my hair.